In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Shopify products to Facebook catalog. To get started, sign into your Shopify admin. This process is all about making sure the right products in your store are allowed to appear on the Facebook and Instagram sales channel, because that is what feeds into your Facebook catalog. Before you begin, it helps to know exactly which products you want to show on Facebook. You can sync a few items for testing, or you can select a larger group once you are confident everything looks correct. First, open your products section in Shopify. This is where you manage everything related to your items, including titles, pricing, inventory, and sales channel availability. Once you are on the products page, you will see a list of your products, and you can use the checkboxes to select the items you want to sync. Next, select the specific products you want included in your Facebook catalog. Take a moment here to double-check what you are selecting. If there are items you do not want advertised, seasonal products, or drafts that are not ready, leave those unchecked. It can also help to confirm that the products you are choosing have complete information, like a clear title and an accurate price, since that is what customers will see when your products appear on Facebook or Instagram. After you have selected your items, choose one of the bulk options available. Click Bulk Edit, or use Include in Sales Channels. The wording can vary slightly depending on your Shopify setup, but the goal is the same. You are controlling which sales channels each product is available on. Now make sure that Facebook and Instagram is checked. This setting is what allows Shopify to include those products in the Facebook and Instagram channel, which then makes them eligible to sync into your Facebook catalog. If it is not checked, the product will not be sent over. Once you confirm Facebook and Instagram is enabled for the products you selected, your Shopify site is set. Give the system a little time to reflect changes if you do not see them immediately. And that is all there is to it.